Shorthand Simplified. Today we will go through third place vowels. These vowel sounds are long E, short E, long oo and short oo. E is represented by dark dot, short E is represented by light dot, long oo is represented by dark dash, short oo by light dash. Now there are certain rules that you have to follow. Rules number 1 is third place vowel between two strokes is put in the third position before the second stroke. That is, if a third place vowel comes between two strokes, it is written in the third position before the second stroke. And second rule is, if first vowel in the word is a third place vowel, then the outline is written in the third position. That is, first downstroke or upstroke is written across the line and then the outline continues. So let us see some examples of vowel sounds E. Eat. So E, long E, and T. First downstroke or upstroke. Here it is downstroke, so it is T. T is written across the line because first vowel is third place vowel, that is E. So it is it. Similarly T. T is T and E. Each. Ch. E. Each. C. S. E. C. She. Sh. E. She. Ease. Z. Ease. Fee. F. E. Because third place vowel, so across the line. Feed. Now look at here. F consonant, D consonant, E vowel. So vowel, third place vowel is coming between two strokes. So since the first vowel, that is E, is third place vowel, so first downstroke is written across the line, that is F is written across the line. Then the outline continues. So D is D, and the vowel which is coming between two strokes is written before the second stroke at the third place. So before the second stroke, that is this side, at the third position. So feed. Similarly deep. D, P and E. So D, P and E. Before the second stroke, it is coming between two. Deep. Deep. Keep. So K, P, E. Now remember, K is a horizontal stroke, P is a downstroke. The first rule is first downstroke or upstroke is written across the line. So P is written across the line and K is above the line. Keep. Leave. So L and V and E. Leave. Teach. T consonant, Ch consonant and E. So T, Ch and before the second stroke. Similarly theme. So Th, M and between two strokes, so before the second stroke at the third place. So this is the third place. Deal. Deal. Meal. M and L, E vowel. Team. T, M and E. Now examples of short E. Short E is represented by light dot. So if. So F, E. If. Bit. Bit. Peak. Peak. Big. B, J, G and E. Similarly ship. Sh, P, E. Ship. Leave. L, V and E. Leave. Inch. Inch. So inch. N is a consonant, horizontal consonant, ch, downstroke. So first downstroke is across the line, N is above the line. Inch. Kid. K and D, E. So kid. Kid. Ill. Bill. So b l il, bill. Mill, mill. Milk, milk. So it is I is coming between m and l. So it is here. Milk. Thick, th, k and e, thick. Th, k and between two strokes. So third place before the second consonants. Width, v, d, th and e vowel is between w and d. So v and d. So this is the position of vowel. Width. Now examples of long u. Chew. So chew. Shoe. Shoe. Food. Food. Move. M, v and u. Youth, u, th, third place. Tool, so t, l and u before the. This is the third position. Since l is a upstroke, so this will be the third position. Pull, pull. So first downstroke is p, which is written across the line, and then the outline continues l. So pull. Cool. Now look here. K is a horizontal stroke, l is a upstroke. So you cannot write it like this. You have to write it like this. K is below the line and l is a upstroke. So l is across the line, coming across the line. And this is the third position. So cool. Tooth, tooth, tooth. Okay. Now examples of short u. Book, book. Took, took. Look. Wood, w, d, u, wood. Pull, p, l, u, pull. Push, p, sh, push. Okay. Next is sounds of y at the end of a word. It is represented by light dot. Example, baby, e. But actually in a word it is represented by y, but it is sounding as e, baby. So this baby, b, baby, light dot. Lucky, so lucky, so lucky, lucky. Money, 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 money. Copy, copy, copy. Many, so second place vowel on the line. So many, many. Lady, second place vowel on the line. So lady. Family, first place vowel. So first consonant is above the line. So family, family. So e vowel is between ma and la. So it is here, and li is light dot. Family. 50. F, and t. So fifth, between two f, there is I. So e, this e vowel, and t, light dot. Monthly. So month, month is the second place vowel. So first downstroke is on the line. Therefore, ma and na is above line. Okay, because we have to write this th on the line. And li. So li, la, and e, monthly. Second place vowel. Daily, daily, daily. Apology, so first place vowel. So down first consonant above the line. Apology, apology. O vowel, a vowel, and e, y-e. So light dot. Now, if outline consists of horizontal stroke and first vowel is third position vowel, outline is written on the line. Example is key. So k, only one consonant, and e vowel. So it is written on the line, horizontal stroke. Kick, again on the line, and kick, k and e vowel. So between two k's, so the e vowel is third place before the second consonant. Cook, k, ook. Ink, ink, ink. King, k and ing, king. K and ing consonant, and e vowel is third place before the second consonant. Now there are words which contains ing and they are ending in ing. So you can drop this e vowel because you already have a consonant called ing. So you can directly write it as ing instead of writing dot and ing. No need of keeping placing any dot here. So making, so make ing. No need of ing, e vowel. Drop it. Taking, so take ing. Similarly, living. Taking, no need of dot. Living, so live ing. So here there is long e and this living is short e, so light dot. So live ing. Looking, third place vowel, looking, looking. Asking, so first place vowel above the line, ask ing, asking. Mailing, second place vowel, so ma is on the line, la is on the line, ma, la, ing, mailing. Talking, first vowel is the first place vowel, so ta is above the line, talk, ing. Washing, first place vowel, so wa is above the line, wash, ing. Okay. Next. Short forms. Short form different or difference is represented by the stroke across the line. The stroke across the line. Wish is represented by sh stroke across the line. Put is represented by p stroke across the line. To be is represented by b stroke. It is a dark stroke. This is a light stroke. B is a dark stroke. So b stroke across the line. O is quartered above the line. Can is k stroke above the line. Go is g stroke above the line. Ought is quarter j above the line. In or any is n stroke above the line. Now there are short form derivatives, like b is represented by b stroke on the line, but if b it is bing, so ing you can directly add to it and make it as bing. Similarly, doing is do and ing, so do is on the line, the and ing. Having is v curve on the line and ing, having. Going is g above the line and ing, so go ing. So this was third place vowel theory. In the next lecture I will be covering sentences. Thank you.